Where's the button? There it is. This week I looked at portraits and shadows. The first thing you want to look for is somewhere you can make completely pitch black, or wait for night time. Then you want to set up a light source. This is to reveal you as you come into frame. Once this is set up, take a photo and see what it looks like. Great, but now let's start on playing with the angle of the light. So you can move the light around your face. The changing of the light angle will give you very different feeling and looks to your photos. Now you've got the right feeling and mood of your lighting, you can start changing the mood of your body. So moving into frame with the side of your body or coming up into shot will give you a very different feel. Next thing you can do to give it even more mood is change the colouring of your lighting. Go around your house, check out the different colourings of your lamps, or like me, I have different gels to put on the front of mine. And as you can see, it gives the picture a very different style. Now, the last thing I want to do is give some texture to the face. So I went into the kitchen and found some colanders, and then I held it up to the light. Now, if you don't have anything interesting to cast a shadow on your face, you can always take some cardboard, put in the holes that you're looking for, and hold that up to the light. And these are the kind of shadows I got from this. And the last thing I did is put all the different steps together, and this was the final photo I got. Well, I hoped you liked that. If you do take any portraits or shadow photos, please tag me so I can see what you've been up to, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. If you could hit that like button, that would be great. Then hit the subscribe button so you never miss anything. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos, write them in the comments.